Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the secrets to consistently be making $20,000 to $30,000 a month using your phone and social media anywhere in the world in the next 6 months. Number one is actually pick a topic that you're actually very knowledgeable about, a topic that you know more about than everybody around you, and a topic that you're actually passionate about. Number two is actually picking one platform to actually grow on. That could be Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. Pick one platform and actually grow it and then distribute to all the other social media platforms. Number three is actually posting consistently about the topic, the interest, or the passion that you actually picked, and start posting content about it and looking for similar ideas or topics that interest you and start posting on it consistently for the next 6 months. Number four is actually monetizing your knowledge. When you start giving away so much value for free, people's actually gonna want a lot more from you. And from that point on, you could actually come up with a pay program where your followers will pay you to get more access to you and to your knowledge. Number five is actually make sure to tell a story with the content that you're posting. Make sure you talk about the failures that you've had, your success, the things that you had to overcome, your mistakes, and all that. Make sure you put it all in your content that you're posting. Number six is actually making sure that you solve problems along your journey. Make sure to always ask your audience about their problems, their issues, things that they're going through, and start solving them one by one. And by that, you could actually start to document the process in different types of forms. It could be a Notion document, a video course, a written ebook, and different ways like that. Seven is actually to monetize your solutions. Every problem that you actually solve can be packaged into a course, an ebook, and all you have to do is solve that problem once, and you could just keep selling it indefinitely.